Hey everyone, and welcome to Explore Era. Today, we're embarking on a journey to the magical Arctic city of Tromsø, Norway. Prepare to be dazzled by snow-covered landscapes, vibrant culture, and endless winter adventures. Whether you're chasing the northern lights, indulging in local delicacies, or simply soaking in the festive atmosphere, Tromsø has something for everyone. So buckle up, grab your warmest mittens, and let's explore this winter wonderland. Tromsø boasts breathtaking scenery that transforms into a winter wonderland during the colder months. Imagine strolling through charming streets lined with colorful wooden houses, their windows glowing with warm light. Breathe in the crisp Arctic air as you gaze upon snow-capped mountains and frozen fjords stretching as far as the eye can see. Don't forget to look up. The clear skies often paint a canvas of twinkling stars, creating an unforgettable ambiance. Tromsø is a playground for winter sports enthusiasts. Embark on an exhilarating dog sledding adventure through snowy plains, feeling the wind in your hair and the power of the huskies pulling you forward. Zoom across frozen landscapes on a snowmobile, experiencing the thrill of speed and the vastness of the Arctic wilderness. For a more relaxed pace, strap on some cross-country skis and glide through peaceful forests, enjoying the serenity of nature. Immerse yourself in the rich culture of Tromsø. Visit the Perspektivet Museum to learn about the region's fascinating history and connection to the Sami people. Indulge in a unique culinary experience, trying local delicacies like reindeer stew, fresh seafood, and cloudberries. Don't miss the vibrant indoor markets, bustling with local artisans selling handcrafted souvenirs, cozy knitwear, and delicious treats. Tromsø is one of the best places on Earth to witness the awe-inspiring northern lights. Imagine standing beneath a sky ablaze with emerald, violet, and pink hues as the aurora borealis dances across the heavens. Escape the city lights and head to viewing platforms or join guided tours to maximize your chances of witnessing this natural spectacle. Remember, patience and a clear night sky are key. Tromsø offers a plethora of unique experiences beyond the usual tourist attractions. Visit the Tromsø Ice Domes, a magical world built entirely of ice and snow, complete with sculptures, ice bars, and even an ice chapel. Take a ride on the Fjellheisen cable car, enjoying panoramic views of the city and surrounding fjords from the top. Explore hidden gems like the Polaria Museum, dedicated to the Arctic wildlife, or cozy up in a traditional Sami lavu, a tent made of reindeer hides. Remember, responsible tourism is essential when visiting any destination. Opt for eco-friendly transportation options like walking, cycling, or using public transport. Support local businesses and restaurants that prioritize sustainability. Be mindful of your waste and leave no trace in the natural environment. By following these simple tips, we can ensure that Tromso's winter wonderland remains pristine for generations to come. As we conclude our journey through Tromsø, we hope you're inspired to experience this winter wonderland for yourself. From breathtaking scenery and thrilling activities to unique cultural experiences and delicious local flavors, Tromsø has something to offer everyone. So, pack your bags, bundle up warm, and get ready to create unforgettable memories in this magical Arctic city. Don't forget to leave a comment below and share your Tromsø Winter Wonderland dreams.